God is saying to you that He will restore. He will restore every time that the locust ate. God is restoring. I hear restoration. You are in a season where you need restoration. My God. God is saying that you are walking into a place of destiny. You are walking into a place of power. You are walking into a place of dominion. You are walking into a place of greatness. My God, that chains are breaking now in the name of Jesus. And I disconnect you from that spirit of anxiety. I speak to it now. I do not plead. I'm not here to joke with Satan. We are not here to joke with the devil. We are standing in the authority and the power that God Himself gave to us to tread upon serpent and scorpion and to overcome the powers of the enemies. So we are not here to play. We have understood our assignment. We have understood our power. We have understood the dominion and the authority we carry to oppose the territory, to oppose our destiny, to oppose everything that the Lord has placed into us. And therefore I speak in your life in the name of Jesus. Anything that the Lord has not planted in your life, it dies now in the name of Jesus. You feel the fire all over your body. Mrs. You feel the fire of the Lord all over your body, and you begin to blast in tongue. You begin to speak in tongue. I see the power of God resting upon your life. I see the power of the Lord resting upon Rakatakata Rekone Pasta Mareka to Ikande Menure Pasta Ploreveria. Jesus. Hey, Lord Pastor. The power of God, the power of God is operating in this place. So wherever you find yourself, do not come here to watch. Do not come here as an observer. I want you to say to God, Father, whatever that is happening in this place, your mysteries, whatever is moving in the realms, Father, touch me as well. Father, deliver me as well. Hey, Job, Father, set me from captivity. Set me free from bondage. I want to walk out of this place of captivity, of this place of limitation. I want to break through and become a woman that you have ordained me to be, or to become a man whom you have called me to be. Oh, step, Lord Master. The fire of the Lord is so. I see the fire of the Lord falling upon people. Falling upon people. Falling upon people. Falling up. My God. Rakata to Ikaste. Rekone pasta. Yeah. Wherever you are begin to speak in tongue, there's something happening. Wherever you are begin to speak in tongue, Rakone pasta, Rakata to Ikasta, Rekone Mandure pasta, Ibuore Paya Tusta, Rekone Paya Tusta, Rekoste Floreveria, Mali Patu Ikaste, Esto Floreveria,